AXIE endlessness value sort of equivalent to $8.5101 a coin in every way that really matters in opposition to prevalent thinking. The present exchanged cost range, 8.41759.0090. Or so they truly thought. The earlier day close, 8.8900, which especially is very critical. The change sort of was 0.3799, 4.27% in a kind of huge way. Backwards rate. United States dollars to AXS in an unpretentious way. AXIE vastness value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which really is genuinely huge. AXIE endlessness cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk 8. Cost $9.02, by and large most extreme 9.65, sort of least 8.39. Showing that AXIE vastness cost commonly equivalent to $8.5101 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. AXIE limitlessness gauge on Thursday. Walk 9. Cost $9.00, genuinely greatest 9.63, genuinely least 8.37. So AXIE endlessness conjecture on Thursday. Walk 9. Cost $9.00, most extreme 9.63, kind of least 8.37. By and large in spite of mainstream thinking. AXIE boundlessness cost expectation on Friday. Walk 10. Cost $8.60, truly most extreme 9.20, truly least 8.00 in a significant way. AXIE limitlessness estimate on Monday. Walk 13. Cost $8.17, kind of greatest 8.74, certainly least 7.60 in a genuinely significant way. In multi-week AXIE endlessness cost forecast on Tuesday. Walk 14. Cost $7.97, genuinely greatest 8.53, lovely least 7.41, which is very critical. AXIE boundlessness estimate on Wednesday. Walk 15. Cost $8.29, essentially greatest 8.87, especially least 7.71 in an unpretentious way. AXIE boundlessness cost expectation on Thursday. Walk 16. Cost $7.99, most certainly greatest 8.55, exceptionally least 7.43, in every way that really matters, in opposition to mainstream thinking. AXIE endlessness conjecture on Friday. Walk 17. Cost $7.97, fundamentally most extreme 8.53. Exceptionally least 7.41 in an extremely significant way. AXIE vastness cost forecast on Monday. Walk 20. Cost $8.13, most extreme 8.70, really least 7.56, which basically is very critical. In about 14 days AXIE endlessness gauge on Tuesday. Walk 21. Cost $7.84, greatest 8.39. Genuinely least 7.29 in a huge way. AXIE boundlessness cost forecast on Wednesday. Walk 22. Cost $7.51, exceptionally greatest 8.04, least 6.98 in a quite huge way. AXIE vastness figure on Thursday. Walk 23. Cost $7.49, for the most part greatest 8.01, beautiful least 6.97 in a significant way. AXIE limitlessness cost expectation on Friday. Walk 24. Cost $7.35, kind of greatest 7.86, especially least 6.84, which especially is genuinely huge. AXIE vastness figure on Monday. Walk 27. Cost $7.03, by and large most extreme 7.52, especially least 6.54, or so they certainly thought. In 3 weeks AXIE limitlessness cost expectation on Tuesday. Walk 28. Cost $7.30, certainly most extreme 7.81, least 6.79, which especially is very huge. AXIE vastness estimate on Wednesday. Walk 29. Cost $7.21, sort of greatest 7.71 in every practical sense, least 6.71, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. AXIE vastness cost expectation on Thursday. Walk 30. Cost $7.09, really most extreme 7.59, certainly least 6.59. AXIE vastness figure on Friday. Walk 31. Cost $7.68, genuinely most extreme 8.22, sort of least 7.14 in an unobtrusive way. AXIE limitlessness cost expectation on Monday, April 3. Cost $7.32, especially greatest 7.83, exceptionally at least 6.81, exhibiting that AXIE vastness cost expectation on Friday. Walk 10. Cost $8.60 in every practical sense, greatest 9.20, sort of least 8.00, which generally is very huge. In about a month, a share vastness estimate on Tuesday, April 4, cost $8.05, sort of most extreme 8.61, in every way that really matters, least 7.49 in an unobtrusive way. A share boundlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, April 5, cost $8.25, really greatest 8.83. For the most part least 7.67 in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. A share limitlessness conjecture on Thursday, April 6, cost $8.01, especially greatest 8.57, beautiful least 7.45, or so they thought. United States dollars to AXS conversion scale genuinely equivalent to 0.1175 coins per $1. Which fundamentally is very critical. Today's reach, 0.1110 0.1188. The past AS nearby, 0.1125, which by and large is very critical. Change for now plus 0.0050, plus 4.44%. Further appearance how a share boundlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, April 5, cost $8.25, extremely greatest 8.83. Exceptionally least 7.67 in a for the most part enormous manner. United States dollars to AXS cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month, exhibiting how a share vastness cost expectation on Monday, April 3, cost $7.32, essentially greatest 7.83, certainly least 6.81, showing that a share limitlessness cost forecast on Friday, Walk 10, cost $8.60, most extreme 9.20, exceptionally least 8.00, or so they generally thought. Dollar to a share limitlessness gauge on Wednesday, Walk 8, cost 0.111 coins, sort of greatest 0.119, truly least 0.104, truly further appearance, how the change in every practical sense, was 0.3799, 4.27%. Which basically is genuinely huge. United States dollars to AXS expectation on Thursday, Walk 9, cost 0.111 coins, kind of greatest 0.119, really least 0.104, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dollar to a share boundlessness estimate on Friday, Walk 10, cost 0.116 coins, truly most extreme 0.125, really least 0.109 in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to AXS expectation on Monday, Walk 13, cost 0.122 coins, exceptionally greatest 0.132, least 0.114, or so they really thought. In multi-week dollar to a share limitlessness estimate on Tuesday, Walk 14, cost 0.125 coins, sort of most extreme 0.